Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet flower scrunchie and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use elastic band and hook number 3mm and use Elise BBC cream yarn. Let's start. I will join the yarn with the elastic band and make single crochet around all the elastic band, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I will come back. Then start round 2. I will make chain and make single crochet into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 3. I will make 7 chains as shown now. Then turn and make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. That is the first double crochet stitch, and that is the second double crochet stitch into the same chain, into the 4th chain from the hook. Then make 2 chains and make slip stitch into the same chain. That is the first petal for the flower. Then continue to the next petals. So I will make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into the same chain as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make slip stitch into the same chain, that is the second petal. Then I will repeat another 3 petals to make the first flower contains of 5 petals. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished the first flower as shown now. Then I will make the second flower. So I will make 3 chains and skip next 2 single crochet into the base for the previous round. Here I will skip 2 single crochet stitches I hope that obvious for you, and make slip stitch into the third single crochet stitch. Then start the second flower, so I will make 7 chains and repeat with the same sequence for the previous flower. Turn and repeat the same sequence. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet flower scrunchie and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.